I witnessed 4 Israeli wars on Gaza. I witnessed hundreds of escalations. However, nothing is like this one. Gaza's infrastructure is totally damaged. I mean, talking about electricity, water network, internet. Also, food infrastructure in Gaza is destroyed. I mean, talking about most of the bakeries in Gaza, the supermarkets, the farms, everything is destroyed. Every single tiny little detail in my life it changed. I mean, now I am living as a displaced Palestinian in Rafah city. I lost my home. My home was totally burned by an Israeli missile. Most of the humanitarian aid is actually canned, processed food. It is not very healthy. It actually does not taste very good. I managed to somehow control my fears and control my emotions, because what is happening here and what we witnessed here is actually horrific. I lost in total 24 members of my family, Harazeen family, and I've also lost a number of friends, a number of colleagues, journalists, reporters, TV correspondents.